Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to solve the problem of your Facebook page or your page has been unpublished. This page was unpublished and I have been able to resolve it in less than 5 minutes. I want to show you evidence of the page being, do you see that it says your page has been unpublished? I'll be able to appeal and get it republished, and I want to show you evidence of it, and after that, I will show you how I did it. Within 5 minutes, I have appealed and got it reinstated. So as you can see, where it said your page is unpublished, it now says your page health good. So it's looking good. So the page is no longer in danger of being unpublished. Now, I'll now show you how I did it. When you click on see details, it will open you to a place where they will say your page has been unpublished. This is because your page went against our community standard. We have this standard because we want everyone to feel safe, respected, and welcome. If your content goes against our community standards again, your account may be restricted or disabled. You can agree or disagree with this decision if you think we got it wrong. So what you have to do is to click on continue. So when you click on continue, we can disagree with them and they will actually investigate it further. So I'll click on continue. And they said how we make decisions. We use the same community standard in there. So I'll click on continue. Then we don't allow people on Facebook to go against a community standard. Example, creating a page that looks like it belongs to a brand or business, pretending a page has a business relationship with a business, celebrity or public, using a page to promote scams, gambling, and online pharmacies. So you click continue, then accept decision, then disagree. So it means when I accept, it means that I am accepting that we actually violated their policy. Disagree means that I want them to actually investigate it because I disagree with them that they should unpublish this page. I'll click on disagree. They said you disagree with the decision. Thank you for your feedback. We'll use it to improve our future decisions. So normally they will review it possibly and then get back. So we are going to look at what they are going to say. Then definitely they will review it and get back within 48 hours. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you follow this process, you are going to get your page republished, okay? And then you'll be able to advertise again. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp link or the Telegram link to contact me for help if you still have any further problem. I also run ad campaigns for businesses to get effective results, especially whatever result you may be going for, like conversion and leads and all that, WhatsApp related messages advert. I will help you. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.